Hello, my name is Philip and welcome to today's quick grammar update. Today, I will explain to you how to use the two words remember and remind. Both remember and remind are verbs of memory, but they are not the same. Remember is about having a memory. It has two verb patterns with a big difference in meaning. Remember plus ing verb is used when we remember something from the past. First the action happens and later we remember it happening. For example, I remember meeting you at a party 10 years ago. She doesn't remember visiting us last year. Remember plus full infinitive verb is used to remember something that must be done in the future. First, we think of the thing we need to remember, and later we do the action. For example, I must remember to do my shopping later. Remember to close the windows before you leave. Remind means make something remember. Its verb pattern is remind plus somebody plus full infinitive verb. Something can also remind you or someone of something. For example, you must remind me to do my shopping. He is always reminding me to keep hold of my keys. That smell reminds me of my mother cooking. London reminds me of my home city. Remember, you can practice these and other grammar points with myself, Philip, at skypeclass.com. Good luck with your English studies. Goodbye.